This is the Biolomix Professional Countertop Blender. It comes with a large 70-ounce, or 2-liter, BPA-free pitcher that is safe for food use and designed for heavy-duty blending. Powered by a strong 1500-watt motor, it works with durable stainless steel blades to crush ice, grind nuts, blend fruits, and prepare sauces or smoothies with ease. The blender features 6 adjustable speed settings, along with a pulse function, giving you full control over texture and consistency. A tamper is included to help process thicker mixtures like frozen desserts or nut butters. Measuring about 20 inches tall and weighing 10 pounds, the build is solid and stable for daily use. Although it is not dishwasher safe, the pitcher rinses clean quickly. With multiple speed options and a powerful design, the Biolomix Blender is perfect for anyone who wants professional quality blending at home. Customers praise its strength and versatility, making the Biolomix Professional Blender a dependable choice for both everyday use and special recipes.